Hey there, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, and everyone in between. Today, we're exploring QRizer, a free QR code generator. It may not have the catchiest name, but if we've got Sloganizer, why not QRizer? Before diving into the tool, let's discuss what you can create with a QR code. Then we'll circle back to see some basic options QRizer offers. First up, we have Shine On. In your Shine On store settings, you can add an inbox custom offer card, usually for discount codes on future purchases. Why not add a QR code to your card instead of a website URL? Scanning a QR code is much more convenient than typing out a website address from a paper card. Here's how a card with a URL looks. It's not bad if the domain is short, but imagine having a longer domain or an Etsy shop link. No one wants to type that out. So that's one way to use QR codes for Shine On. Moving on to the products themselves. Shine On has a few items you can sell with QR codes, like stainless steel engraved dog tag keychains. Though I haven't tried QR codes on this product, I'm confident they work on the luxury dog tag necklaces and graphic dog tags with swivel keychains. As for products I sell with QR codes, NFT holders love items featuring their NFT and a QR code linking to it. I sell wall art, mugs, and the best-selling are t-shirts for NFT holders. Company logo t-shirts with a QR code on the back are also popular, linking to websites, V-cards, or whatever customers prefer. Let's explore Etsy to see more ideas for products with QR codes. We can see social media displays, memorabilia, pet ID tags with essential information, restaurant menus, jewelry, digital downloads. Although I'm not sure how these sell since anyone can create downloadable QR codes themselves. We even find Wi-Fi password info, and surprisingly, QR code patches. From keychains to puzzle greeting cards, there are tons of options in popular categories for QR codes. The search bar also shows popular search suggestions. QR code shirts, QR code mugs, just unleash your imagination. There are endless possibilities. Now let's return to the QRizer tool. As I mentioned earlier, it's free. No login, no email, no strings attached. The link QR code is the most popular option. Simply enter a URL and the code is generated. You can edit the color. Most people choose black or white with a transparent background. If you wish, you can add a gradient or even a background image. Next, you can modify the code's design with plenty of options available. Another option is to add a logo in the center of your code. You can upload your own or choose from a list of icons. You can even put your QR code in a frame. Lastly, adjust the size and precision to suit your needs. When you're done designing, scan your code to make sure it works correctly. If you're happy with the result, click the Save button. Once saved, download buttons will appear, allowing you to download PNG, SVG, and PDF files. There are no tricks, watermarks, or catches. However, keep in mind that this is the only time you'll see this QR code on the MerchArt's website. There's no database, so if you close your browser, you won't be able to download the QR code again. Therefore, I highly recommend downloading the SVG version, even if you don't need it right now. This way, you'll be able to edit colors and resize it as you wish later on. Well, that's a wrap, folks. Don't forget to subscribe for more cool tips and tricks, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy QRing and bye for now.